Selamat sore semuanya.
Selamat sore.
Thank you. Today I'm going to be simple. Today we saw a very good match, very good football match. We played a very good football. Unfortunately, we couldn't achieve our objective, but PSM is a very good team. They put a lot of experience in the match, and we put a lot of football in this match. I'm feeling comfortable with my players because they play very well, and we know that in the process playing well we can achieve in the medium and short term. Then today I'm easy and focusing, keep working to the next match. It's a very good question. Yes, we were winning 2 times. We were planning like that. But in the process that I have been working, we first worked on the physical aspect. When I arrived to this club, I started to see the players, and we built a very good physical aspect. After that, we went to the technical aspect. We were focusing the possession. If you see now the possession, I don't have the exact data today, but it looks like we have had the most possession in the match. And after that, we work in the tactical aspects. We can control the match. We were over the opponent 2 times, and we must work in the last aspect of football. Football is 4 aspects: physical, technical, tactical, and mental. And then it's not about the mistakes that we made in defense. It's about how we can support this pressure, because the opponent is good. And the opponent still want to go forward, want to win. And we need to be very focused, everyone, because it's not just about the defenders, it's about the full squad. It's about the 11 players. This is connected. And then we are going to be focusing in build a strong mentality and try to keep 90 or 95 minutes focused and handling the matches. This is the last part of the process.